Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use HubSpot marketing. We'll begin by exploring the HubSpot platform, understanding its core marketing tools, and navigating the user-friendly dashboard. You'll learn to set up your initial marketing settings, ensuring your account is ready for action. We'll also cover integrating your existing website, a crucial first step for seamless operation and data collection. This foundational knowledge will prepare you for advanced strategies. Next, we'll dive into content creation and search engine optimization. You'll learn to craft engaging blog posts and high-converting landing pages directly within HubSpot. We'll cover how to optimize your content using strategic keywords, significantly improving your search engine rankings. HubSpot's integrated SEO tools will guide you, helping your content reach a wider audience. Finally, we'll explore tracking content performance with robust analytics. Now, let's unlock the power of email marketing and automation. You'll discover how to design impactful email campaigns that resonate with your audience. We'll show you how to segment your contacts into specific groups, enabling highly personalized messaging for better engagement. Setting up automated workflows will streamline your lead nurturing process, saving you valuable time. We'll also analyze key email performance metrics to continuously refine your strategy. Finally, we'll focus on measuring your marketing success. You'll learn to monitor crucial marketing metrics and campaign performance directly within HubSpot's reporting tools. We'll guide you through generating custom reports, providing clear visualizations of your data. This insight helps you identify areas for improvement, allowing you to optimize your strategies for maximum impact. Understanding your return on investment becomes straightforward with these comprehensive analytics.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.